welcome to my CVS haul. Yes, I absolutely was so excited to go to CVS today. So excited because I'm finally getting all my CRTs back that I've been waiting for. I'm finally getting stuff that I've never gotten before, and it's starting to get there. I am so excited. But I'm here to share with you guys what I did, my hauls. I also will have a printable breakdown for you guys below. A lot of you guys requested that. And I will have all the pictures with the CRTs and coupons that I had at the end of this video. So I got everything all ready for you guys. I cannot film in my store. That's just a rule that my store has. It's been like that for a long time. So otherwise I would share with you guys, but my store also never has the sale tags up, so it's kind of hard to share deals with you too. But let's get on and start sharing with some deals. But the first thing I want to share with you guys, if you guys need some water, if you need water, I recently had I've been dehydrated because I've been having bad migraines, and my doctor says that I need to drink a whole bottle of this a day. This is 64 ounces of water, and this lasts me all day long. And it stays super cold. It can stay cold with ice in it. In 90-degree weather, actually in 100-degree weather, it'll still keep the ice frozen. I proved my point there. So if you guys want to get a bottle or something similar to this, they do have smaller ones. You want to use the link below and use code DesignerJen to get 10% off your order. And there's also going to be another link that you guys can do to join to enter in some weekly contests. So definitely go ahead and do that. But let's just get into the deals at CVS. I am so excited to share with you guys what I got. So I ended up doing the chic deal. I had some printable coupons that were expiring today, so I wanted to use those and save some of my insert coupons just because this is a great deal. So I ended up getting two of the Skintimate ones. Now some of them were $9.99 and some of them were $9.49. It's weird, so make sure you check your prices, but these were $9.49 and this was $6.49, and I looked up, and this was considered a item that worked, and there was a $4 off coupon that was popping up for a digital, so I ended up getting this. This is something I've actually wanted to try. So we got two $9.49s and then $6.49. I used two printable $4 off coupons, or you guys can use the inserts if you still have them. And then I used a $4 off digital coupon for this. I had a 4 off of 2 Skintimate CRT, making it $9.47, but then when you spend $25, you get a $10 extra care buck, making this a 53-cent moneymaker. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. I've been getting Skintimate like crazy, which is not complaining, which is super, super awesome. This deal I was excited for too. Now I ended up getting a text message. CVS has been sending me a text message every once a week about something, and then I clip it to my card and it stays. So I ended up getting a $4 off text message for a sun care. So I was excited for this deal. So these were $9.99. They were buy one get one 50% off. I had a 5 off of 2 insert coupon that we got in today's inserts, and then I had that 4 off sun care CRT that I got text message to me. Now I also had a $2 off Coppertone Glow. It didn't work for the spray, but it worked for the lotion, and I would have gotten that. It would have been, I think, like around the same price possibly, but I just decided to get these because these are just a lot easier with moving targets with the children. So these were buy one get one 50% off. With those two coupons, I paid $5.98 for this, but then you get a $5 extra care buck back, making it 98 cents, which is excited. This is the first time I've ever bought sunscreen at CVS. I love it, love it, love it, love it. I like to have sunscreen everywhere I go in the car because you never know if you're going to stop and chat with somebody or the kids are going to play. I also had a $5 off Revlon Tool CRT, so I decided to use it for this. These are some kind of scissors grip tweezers, and I'm like, sweet, we could use this. This was $5.49. I used that $5 off CRT, making this just 49 cents, which is a great deal, so I got that. Now, I wanted to try the other Shea Moisture shampoo and conditioner, but when I scanned my app, the thing that I was gonna get, there's nothing that popped up. The coupons popped up for this one for my CRTs that I had, but not for that one, which I thought was weird. I could have probably still used it, but I always like to make sure it attaches. But I still love this shampoo and conditioner. This is my favorite conditioner. It might not be 100% for my hair, but I really love it. I really love the smell. So these were $12.49. I had a 6 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts today, and then I had a 4 off of 25 CRT, and this was just 2 cents shy of $25, and my store does do the 2% rule, so I was able to do that. And then I also had a 3 off of 3 hair care, nail care. So I got this, and then I also got the Garnier Fructis, so that was considered a $3 off coupon. But majority of that 3 off of 3 went for this. So with that 3 off of 3, it came to $11.98. I had a $10 extra care buck. Or you would receive a $10 extra care buck, but then these come out to be just $1.98 or 99 cents. So I think that's a great deal, because this is, again, one of my favorite shampoos that I use. Those are repeaters that I absolutely love using. And I will be doing a giveaway sometime soon. I think when I hit 50,000, I might be doing giveaways for bags and everything. I'm close to it. Just got to see what happens. So I ended up doing the Crest toothpaste. I was excited for this deal because I got a CRT that helped make this deal a better deal. So the Crest toothpaste is 2 for $6. I actually had a $1 off digital coupon, and I had a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. I was originally just going to do the $1 off one. I'm like, wait, let's see what the math will be for 2, because it does have a limit of 2. I also had a 2 off of 5 Crest CRT that I used. So I bought 4 of the toothpaste for $12, used the 5 off of 3 and the $1 off digital, and then I had the 2 off of 5 CRT. Paid $4 for the 4 of these, but then you get $3 for 2 deals, so I actually got $6 back in an extra care buck, making this a $2 moneymaker. So if you guys need some money makers on the toothpaste, definitely go ahead and do that deal. Now this is not the greatest deal, but I still wanted to do it because I don't hardly ever get this stuff anymore, is the Irish Spring. These were on sale for 2 for $8. I used 2 printable coupons on irishspring.com for 75 cents off, and then I had a 2 off of 8 body wash CRT. So I ended up paying $4.50 for these, but then you guys will get a $2 extra care buck, making this $2.50. So basically these come out to be $1.25 a piece. I usually say $1 is the best, but you know what? I don't get those coupons like we used to. I don't stock up on that stuff like I used to. I got the Garnier Fructis. These were 2 for $7. I actually got a 3 off of 2 insert coupon. I got my inserts different place this time, up where my parents live, so that was nice. But I used a 3 off of 2 insert coupon, and then I had a 2 off of 2 instant coupon for the Garnier Fructis, making these just $2 or $1 a piece. And I used to have Garnier all the time, but I always get the more fancier stuff, so I was excited for that. Next deal I did was the Speed Stick deal. Now some of these deals I was not going to do until I got the CRTs for it. So again, I got this CRTs for this one. So these are 2 for $6. I used 2 50-cent off printable coupons from speedstick.com, so you guys want to use that. I also had a 2 off of 2 Speed Stick CRT. So I paid $3 for both of these, but then you get a $2 extra care buck back, making these just $1 or 50 cents a piece, which is a great, great deal. Otherwise, without those printable coupons, they're just $1 a piece, which is still a decent deal. And the last deal that I did was the Listerine tabs. These were $4.99. I didn't get any insert coupons, but I had a $1 off printable coupon, and then I had a $1 off digital coupon. I also had a $2 off Listerine tabs CRT, and then I had a 2 off of 8 Listerine CRT, so I ended up using that. Paid $3.98 for both of these, but then you get a $4 extra care buck back, making this a 2-cent moneymaker. I got these absolutely for free. So I was excited. I got some great deals. I got a lot of freebies. I was just excited. Everything turned out fine. It's just getting better, you guys. It's getting better, and I think it's a whole lot better. I'm glad I kept my hopes up. It only took 4 or 5 months, but I'm glad I kept my hopes up. So I paid 60 cents for all that stuff. 60 cents. That 2 quarters and a dime. That's crazy. 60 cents. I haven't had hauls like that in a long time. But I ended up using $43 of extra care bucks to pay for everything. But I only did receive $39 back. So I did take a loss. But I will be definitely getting $3 for the beauty because of the 2 shampoos that I got, the Shea Moisture and then the Garnier. So I'll definitely be getting a $3 off CRT next week. But so yeah, that comes out to that. But without that factored in, my total came to $4.60. I got 20 items at just 23 cents a piece. I was super, super excited. Things are getting better. I'm just loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. So I just wanted to share with you guys my haul with my printable breakdowns below. You guys can click that link and then the pictures after this video. Give this video a big thumbs up to let me know you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.